Good afternoon. My name is Jacky Wayne. I'm a local law enforcement officer, also a Marine Corps veteran. Me and another buddy of mine I was in the Marine Corps with, we're getting ready to take a wild ride across the United States to historical Route 66, trying to raise awareness for mental illness for our first responders and our veterans. It's called Operation 2266, and every single dime goes to support the When Life Sucks organization. Now, this ride isn't about the miles. We're trying to bring awareness for our vets and first responders. And this job takes a toll on you, not to mention what happens to our vets. And a lot of times they bring back some pain that they can't get over. We're doing our best and trying to get awareness and get as many people on board to take a look and see if we can help these folks out. Hop on Facebook and follow us at Operation 2266, and you can keep up with me and Jeff as we cross the country. Every donation counts, and every cent is going to where it needs to help our vets and first responders.